Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing quite well, and here is 30 multi-purpose professional banner for Photoshop with font links and photo use link, but these are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK. By now for lifetime iPhone user can contact me. You can use this app on PC via Android software. Here is Facebook page Sheri SK, and last is my Telegram channel, right? Sheri SK official. I will provide every notification of video first here. Okay, for example, first open this one. Very simple. Here is a title, here is a big title, bottom, and last is background. I know you can change everything. Here we say your URL of your website. Click here, change anything. Okay. Button color. Our banner is ready, so you can write it yourself. Now here is 20% get more. Now best sport shoes, special shoes, so you can add any other photo, your logo. Very simple, just open it and remove everything. Here is built sailed. Wow. Background. Depend your own choice. Okay, here is opacity. No. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, download this app for password. Take care, Allah Hafiz.